I had asked you before to calculate b times a for me. Remember in the previous video we looked at a multiplied by b and got this. Then I asked you to do b times a in the last video. What did you get for your b times a? Let's see how this works out. Here we have two brackets that will be the brackets of our answer, which is a matrix. When you multiply this and this, you have row by column. Remember, it's row times column, and you're going to have an element here. It's going to be in row 1, column 1. So you must multiply row 1 by column 1. So you multiply this row by this column. And remember, when you multiply them, it's first elements multiplied plus second elements multiplied together. Alright? So first elements multiplied, E is the first in row 1 of B. A is the first in column 1 of A. Plus, then the seconds now is going to be second by second. F times C. F is the second element in row 1 of B. I want to write that in red since it's already in red. Alright. Multiplied by C, the second in column 1 of A. F, C. You see that? Is that what you got? Let's continue. After that, you should have calculated the element that's going to come right here. It is in row 1, column 2. So you must multiply row 1 by column 2. And what you will get when you multiply them, first in row 1 by first in column 2 plus second in row 1 by second in column 2. So it's going to be first E times B plus second elements multiplied now is going to be F times D. Then this one is in row 2, column 1. So we multiply row 2 by column 1. So it's going to be this row multiplied by this column. First times first. G times A. So it's going to be G A plus second times second element, H times G, in times C is going to be H C. You see that? And after this, we need this element, and that element, whatever it is in row 2, column 2. So I want row 2, column 2. So we must multiply row 2 by column 2. G times B plus H times D. First times first plus second times second. So it's G times B plus then the seconds H times D. So it is, remember, is G times B plus H times D, because it is second times second. Now, that's what you have when you're finished. Let's look at the two matrices here. We have AE plus BG. Are they the same? AE. We could rewrite EA as AE. Let me try to make them the same. Let's put this as AE, alphabetical order, just like up here. So it's switch it around to AE, trying to make them look the same, plus BG. But hold on. This is BG. This is FC. This is EB plus FD. This is AF plus BH. They are different. GA plus HC is here. CE plus DG. Different. CF plus DH. GB plus HD. Different. What does that tell you? Tells you that multiplication of matrices is not commutative. Alright? So the multiplication of matrices is not commutative. If you switch them around in terms of the order that you multiply them, you get a different answer. Alright? Remember, with ordinary numbers like 2 by 3 you get 6, 3 by 2 you still get 6. That doesn't happen with matrices. Matrix A times matrix B is different from matrix B times matrix A. Alright, good. So we see it's not commutative, it's not something different. And I hope this is what you got when you multiply them. If you didn't get this, you should try again without looking at this working. Right? Try again in a notebook to multiply B times A so that you get this. Alright, so we'll continue looking at matrices in our next video.